Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I got Galaxy S9 Plus, and today I will show how to flash the Noble ROM 4.1.1 having Android 14 and having the latest One UI 6.1 on the Galaxy S9 Plus. The Noble ROM 4.1.1 can be flashed on the Galaxy S9, Galaxy S9 Plus, and Galaxy Note 9. Those mobile phones which have Exynos chipset. This ROM will not work and cannot be flashed on the Snapdragon devices. So the One UI 6.1 ported ROM can have many features of the Galaxy AI, but I will still say that these are the ported ROM and do not expect more and do not expect less. Yes, the AI feature with the coming with the One UI 6.1 mostly working after flashing the ROM on the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus or Note 9. Still, you will enjoy the ROM after flashing it. And in case if you are asking me that what are the bugs, so I will leave the link in my video description. You can watch that website. You can check that website the about if you want to know about the bugs. Before going ahead, do not forget to subscribe my channel. Do not forget to click or tap the bell icon, click or tap the select all. Thank you so much, I appreciate that. So we have to download these files before going ahead, and let me inform you that all the files links are provided in my video description. Let me tell you that this is the enable AI wallpaper generator for Noble 4.1.1. Fix AI language and creative wallpapers still for Noble 4.1.1. This is the ROM file 4.1.1, which is around like 3.32 GB. The Odin that must be required, the patch TWRP, the wallpapers like this is a module file, and the TWRP. This is the patch file, and this is the current image file, and for only for the Galaxy S9 Plus. If you want to, if you have like a Galaxy S9, so you can download the S9 recovery, and in case if you have Galaxy Note 9, you have to download the Galaxy Note 9 recovery. And I will provide Galaxy S9 recovery link in my description, and also the Galaxy Note 9 recovery in my video description. But I will use these Galaxy S9 Plus recovery because I have Galaxy S9 Plus mobile phone in my hands. So this is the universal cleaner file and the universal repartitioner file. Now this procedure is for those who are flashing it for the first time. Now, for example, if you are like on already on the Noble ROM, like you if you have 1.1 UI 5.1, or if you have for One UI 6.0, you can simply boot into custom recovery and wipe the all the data. Do not do the format data and copy the ROM file like this one, this one, and the ROM file and the wallpaper. That's all. And you can simply start flashing it the ROM file. Then after flashing the ROM file, when it is done, then simply flash this one, this file, and the S24 wallpapers file. That's all. And I because my mobile phone is having a stock ROM, so I will do the procedure from the scratch. One more thing, I will also provide the Samsung USB Android driver file link in my video description. If you are not having the Samsung USB driver installed on your Windows, then you need to download for that file first, and you need to install it on your Windows, so Windows will detect the Samsung mobile phone easily. So first of all, we have to extract the Odin file, and then we'll open the extracted folder of the Odin. Then double click and open the Odin. Click OK. Odin will get open. And then click on the AP here. I will go to my downloaded folder where I have downloaded the files, and I will select the image.tar file, the 3.7.0.9, the S9 Plus recovery. And you have to, and we have to flash the 3.7.0 version of the TWRP. I will click on it to select the file, and I will click open. The file will get loaded, on the Odin. Now coming back towards the mobile phone. Now let me tell you that in case if you are already on the Noble ROM series, still you need to save all the data because clean flashing requires for this ROM to make the ROM work flawlessly. So you have to save all the data first in case if you see that the data is important for you, and also you need to charge the mobile phone battery maximum like 80 to 90%, and then you need to go to settings. This is the model number G965F, the Exynos chipset one, and then we'll go to software information. So currently the last update of my mobile phone is Android 10 One UI 2.5. So I mean to say that your mobile phone must be on Android 10. And after if your set is already was on Android 10, you have flashed the custom ROM, still you can go for the Noble ROM series. But in case if the mobile phone is having Android version 9, then you need to update the mobile phone first, then you can flash the Noble ROM series. So basically, the One UI 2.5 will get update to direct to One UI 6.1, and the Android version 10 will directly update to Android version 14. Now, one more thing that the current ROM that I have on my mobile phone is the stock firmware, right? And the ported ROM is not official. That is unofficial ported for the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, and Note 9. So I will tap the build number for 7 times. Developer mode has been turned on. We'll go back to settings, then we'll scroll down and we'll open the developer option. And because I have flashed the stock firmware, so the OEM unlocking is not here. I have to bring the OEM unlocking in back in the developer option, so the mobile phone audience screen will get changed from pre-normal to checking. Now, first of all, connect internet on the mobile phone. After connecting the mobile phone with the internet, go back to settings, then go to software update and tap download and install for once your software is up to date. Now I will go back to settings and then I will go to developer option, and now you can see that OEM unlocking is back with the developer options. Now it must be turned on. In case if the OEM unlocking is off, you need to turn it on so the mobile phone will get the custom recovery. Otherwise, if this option is off, then the mobile phone will never ever get the custom recovery. And now this time the Odin mode is also get changed from the pre-normal to checking. Now in case if you are having Samsung account and Google account, must be then go to account section and sync your all accounts like Samsung account, Google account, and must remove it. In case if you did not remove the Samsung account, still the mobile phone will not get custom recovery. So you must remove the Samsung account before flashing the custom recovery. Then you can simply power off the mobile phone. So for this procedure, we need a data cable, and they use a good quality of data cable for the flashing and for the charging the mobile phone. And now we have to boot the mobile phone into Odin mode. So mobile phone must be power off. Press and hold the volume down key, Bixby key, and power key. All the three keys same time, then release all the three keys when you see a warning screen. And then press the volume up key once to boot the mobile phone into Odin mode. Press the volume up key once again to light up the screen. And this is the Odin mode screen of my mobile phone. The KG state must be checking. The FRP lock must be off, and OEM lock must be also off. So the mobile phone will get the custom recovery and also the custom ROM. Now connect the cable with the mobile phone and we'll come back to the computer screen. Now the Odin is ready, and also the Odin detecting the mobile phone. Now on the Odin screen, go to options, untick the auto reboot, and go back to log, and then come and click on start. So the recovery file will start flashing, and scene you will see pass. See here, all threads completed, succeeded one. Click reset click exit and then go back to download folder and coming back towards the mobile phone. Mobile phone still booted into Odin mode because I have unticked the auto reboot on Odin. So I want to boot the mobile phone into custom recovery manually. Now, for booting the mobile phone into custom recovery, we need to do this procedure. Press and hold all the four keys: volume up key, volume down key, Bixby key, and power key. Volume up, volume down, and Bixby key, power key. When mobile phone get reboot, release the volume down key first. Then when you see logo, then release the power key. Just wait. And now release the power key. Now wait. You will see a custom recovery screen. Then release the Bixby key and volume up key. This is how to boot the mobile phone into custom recovery. Now swipe to allow modification and then tap wipe and tap format data, type YES, tap here. Then go back to main screen, tap reboot and tap recovery. Swipe to allow modification. Just wait, let the internal storage appears on the computer screen. Yes, we got the internal storage over here. Now I will go to my downloaded folder and I will copy the repartitioner file and the patch TWRP file. I will copy these two files from the downloaded folder, patch TWRP universal 9810 repartitioner file, right? We'll go back to my internal storage of my mobile phone and will paste both file on the internal storage of the mobile phone. Now coming back towards the mobile phone screen, tap install and select the patch TWRP file and swipe to start flushing. Done. Go back to main screen, tap reboot and tap recovery. The internal storage will get appears once again on the computer screen. We got the internal storage. I will open the internal storage and I still have the patch TWRP file and the universal 9810 repartitioner file. Now coming back towards the mobile phone screen. Now tap install and select the universal 9810 repartitioner by tapping on it and then swipe to start flushing. The mobile phone will auto reboot to recovery. Swipe to allow modification. Then tap wipe. Then tap format data. Type YES and tap here. Go back and tap reboot. Tap recovery. No worries. Just swipe to reboot. Swipe to allow modification. And just wait for the internal storage to appear on the computer screen. We got the internal storage. Now coming back towards the download folder, and this time I will copy the universal 9810 cleaner file from the downloaded folder and we'll go back to my internal storage of the mobile phone. We'll paste that file on the internal storage. Then coming back towards the mobile phone screen, tap install, select the cleaner file by tapping on it and then swipe to start flushing it. The mobile phone will get auto reboot to recovery. Allow, swipe to allow to modification and wait, let the internal storage appears on the computer screen. Yes, we got the internal storage. We'll go back to downloaded folder and this time I will copy the rest file that is going to be flash. First enable AI wallpaper file, then fix AI language, novel ROM, yes obviously, and then S24 wallpapers, right? Copy these four files from the downloaded folder and go back to internal storage of the mobile phone and paste all those four files on the internal storage. It will take a little time. We have to wait now. And on the mobile phone screen, tap settings, then go to the third menu and make the screen time out to maximum. Go back to main screen, just wait. So I got all the files copied on my internal storage. So now coming back towards the mobile phone screen. First tap install, then select the novel ROM 4.1.1 by tapping on it and start swipe to start flashing. So read carefully and check the box and tap next. And I will suggest go for the clean install. Do not go for the dirty flash. Select clean install and tap next. Now here, if your device is a Korean variant, then select the Korean CSC. Otherwise, leave the selection like default. Tap next. If you see, please wait, just tap the screen and select your CSC according to your country. Look for it, then tap next. And if you want advanced deep load, leave the selection like it is. And if you want no deep load, like you want all the Samsung bloatwares should become with the ROM, then select for the first one. I will go with the advanced deep load. Now here you have to select your selection according to the ROM that you want to have on your mobile phone. Now read carefully that what you select will not get installed. If, like for example, if I select one of these, this thing will not get installed with the ROM. So you can check and do the selection according to your mood. So I want everything. I will tap next. Same again, what you select will not get installed. Okay, tap next. And same here again, what you select will not get installed. Tap next. Build prop tweaks. Yes, I want image quality to be 100. Then enable multi-user, yes, and disable. Okay, I will leave this selection, but I must say that do your selection, right? This is my selection. You can do your selection. Tap next. Choose CSC tweaks to get applied. Camera during call, camera shutter. Well, I will say that you will also need all these features or all these tweaks. Tap next after selecting. Then Bixby button remapper. I will go for the take screenshot. You can do your selection. Next. Now, do you want enable Galaxy AI? The default is selected yes, and to read also generative photo AI won't be fully working because, as I mentioned before, that do not expect more and do not expect less from the custom ported ROM. Leave the selection yes. S24 always on display yes. Do you want enable DeX mode? If the default selection is yes, if you leave this selection like this, the Samsung DeX will be working on the phone and it will not connect with the external LED. Now, in case if you want that the Samsung DeX should be working with connect after connecting it with external LED, then select no. I will go for the no. And if you want, you can go for the yes. Just read before selecting. Choose the level of animations. Default. Do you want install good lock? Default. Choose the boot animation. I will go for the Galaxy 2024 boot animation. And okay, rest thing are okay. Next. And choose routing method. So here I will suggest to go for the clean magisk. Do not go for the kernel SU because I flashed the kernel SU before, but it was having a issues. So I will suggest to go for the clean matches in case if you want have a root, if you want the Play Store should be certified. If you do not want routing, then go for the no root. Banking and other apps may not work. Read also all the things over here. I will go for the clean magisk. Rest all thing to be default. Next. And flashing started. It will take a time. We have to wait now. So finally, ROM got flash. Tap next. It will go back to recovery screen. Swipe to unlock. Then go back and select the first enable AI wallpaper generator. Then swipe. Done. Go back. Then fix AI language. Swipe. Done. Go back. And then the last one, S24U wallpapers. Select, swipe. Done. simply reboot system. Tap reboot system. The mobile phone will get reboot, and soon the mobile phone will start booting to the One UI 6.1 Noble 4.1.1 ROM. The first boot will take a little time, so we have to wait now. So finally, first boot completed. I will complete the setup screen. Well, finally, ROM got flash. The One UI 6.1 will go to settings, and I will go to about phone. Now I can see that Galaxy S9 Plus and my mobile phone is a dual SIM set, so both IMEIs present here, but the model number got changed because this ROM is ported from the Galaxy S22. We'll tap the software information. Well, before it was 2.5, One UI 2.5 and Y10, and now it is One UI 6.1 and Android version 14. This is the oldest mobile phone, like it was launched back in 2018, something like that. And this is amazing that the mobile phone got updated to Android 14 One UI 6.1, and we can enjoy the AI features coming with the S24 Ultra. Now we have to do a few more things. First of all, connect the mobile phone with the internet, and then we'll go back, go to menu. You can see Magis icon is not proper, so tap on it to start downloading. Tap OK. Let the Magis application to be downloaded. I will suggest that do not let the screen off while downloading Magis. Well, Magis is downloaded properly, and then I will tap to open the Magis. Tap cancel every time when this window pop-ups, and then tap settings, scroll down, turn on the Zygis over here, then turn on the enforce deny list, and then go back, go to modules. You will see, we can see modules that is coming, few which default by with the ROM and few that we have flash with the custom recovery. Now we have to reboot the mobile phone once. You can open the Magis application, tap here and tap reboot. Okay, I will go back to open the Magis application once again to check the modules. Cancel, go to modules, and now you can see that there is no red lines. All the modules are turned on and are working perfectly. If you can see any update over here, like I can see that play integrity fix having an update, and tap the update to update the module, right? Now we'll go back, and one more thing that we have to do is to go to settings, then we'll go to apps, and tap here, and tap to show system apps. Okay, search for PLAY. First select the Play Store, scroll down, tap storage, and clear all data of the Play Store. Done. Go back, and again type PLAY. Now this time select the Play Services, then scroll down, tap storage, then tap clear data, then tap clear all data, delete, and done. Now the ROM got flashed very perfectly. Now you can log in your Gmail account. You will open the Play Store, and you will see that the device is certified, and enjoy the One UI 6.1 ROM on the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, and Note 9. But must be Exynos chipset. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like the video. Keep sharing it. We'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.